Good evening, friends. दोस्तों मेरी आवाज आ रही है? Am I audible? Can anybody please unmute themselves and tell me, is my voice clear?
Yes, sir, properly.
Thank you. Okay. I think because today's session is in English, let's start off in English. Let's not talk in Hindi. I'm more used to Hindi, but then it's okay. I am equally comfortable with English also. So today, friends, a warm welcome to each and every one of you. And today I'm going to be presenting a business opportunity, something that has transformed my life. Not only my life, it has transformed millions of people's lives across the globe. But before I even proceed further, let me first introduce myself. Friends, my name is Rajiv Mehta. Especially for those people who are here for the very first time, let me tell you a little bit about myself. I have been a businessman all my life, but today we are going to be talking about a company called Forever Living, and with which I have been associated for more than 14 years. 14 years, friends. And prior to that, almost 15 years in the garment industry. And one fine day, another garment exporter actually called me up and he said, I have something important for you. Can we meet? Now, I very innocently asked him, I said, what's it about? What do you want to meet about? And he said, we'll meet personally and discuss. Is it okay? I very innocently said, okay. And I went over to meet him, half expecting a garment order. And when I reached there, to an office in Bandra, which was, I didn't see any garments around, but he started showing me a business, something which didn't make much sense to me, but it was very interesting when he showed me the lifestyle that people were living and how it was transforming lives. That was very interesting. And it got me thinking. What started off part-time, today I do it full-time. That's the only thing that I do. I wound up my garment factory. I was employing more than 80, 90 people. And eventually, as I started off part-time, it was not an easy decision to take, to shift career. But I started off part-time, and then as I started getting more involved with this opportunity, I started seeing a better future here. And the rest is history. I've been with Forever for almost 14 years. Today, this opportunity is what I'm going to be talking to you about. And I will show you a few aspects. I'll try to present to you my perspective. What made me join Forever? What I still find interesting about the business? What is it that most people don't realize? But maybe I would like to present it to you. Maybe if you look at it from that perspective, you will understand the type of changes that Forever can cause in your life. So a warm welcome once again to the people who are here for the very first time with us, people who are trying to understand what this opportunity is, and even for people who are already with Forever, but they are still in the process of trying to understand exactly what Forever is, or maybe they're trying to build their business. A better understanding of this platform will help you to grow this business much more faster. It will help you to have a stronger belief in Forever. So without much wasting much time, let's start off with the presentation. Let me just start sharing my screen and okay. I guess my screen is clear to everybody. And today we are going to be talking about an opportunity, a fantastic opportunity that Forever gives each and every one of us, an opportunity to bring about the change that we are always looking for in our lives. Before I even start off with this opportunity, I'd like to request to look at it with a very open mind. Don't let any of your past experiences cloud your judgment about what you're about to see. Don't let your past experiences or your, limited knowledge about what we are going to be seeing today. Don't let it color your judgment about what you see today. So look at it with a very open mind, and don't try to be non-judgmental. So moving forward, what is it that we are actually looking for? Now, each one of us has different needs, wants, dreams, each person is looking for something different in his life. But if you go through what's on the screen, maybe some of us are looking for a little bit of extra income. Maybe some people are looking to start their own business. They don't know how to or where to start. Maybe you're looking to secure your financial future. Maybe you are looking to achieve financial freedom. Or maybe you have some big dreams for yourself, for your family, and you want to look for a means to turn those dreams into a reality. Maybe you're looking for better health, wealth, happiness. Maybe you're looking to develop something that can be left as a legacy for your next generation. Any of these, in fact, to tell you the truth, most of these things all of us want. Well, what we are going to be showing you today is the world's greatest opportunity. I am making a bold statement, but I will prove myself in the slides coming ahead. In the next 40 minutes, if you stay with me and if you look at it with an open mind, I believe you too will start seeing the potential in this business that I had seen about 14 years ago and I still see. So let's move forward. And whenever we have any dreams, whatever we look for, whatever we want in life, the means to achieve it is through money. And let's look at the areas of income. How can we really make money? So taking a bird's eye view of income, we come down to an analysis by Mr. Robert Kiyosaki, which I really appreciate and I really believe in. There are actually only 4 ways of making money. Either you're employed, or maybe you're self-employed, you're a professional, or maybe you're a small business owner. So basically you own a job. Either you have a job or you own a job. The other category is you're a big business owner or you're an investor. If you notice, the employed and self-employed are in a different color, and the business owner and the investor categories are in different category. They are a different color. The reason is because these two categories, employed and self-employed, 95% of the people in the world are within these two categories. They are either employed or self-employed. Only 5% people are big business owners or investors. But the point that I'm trying to make is this. What I'm going to show you might look amazing, but it's a fact that only 5% of the wealth of the entire universe is in the hands of the employees and the self-employed people. The 5% people, the big business owners and the investors, control 95% of the wealth of the entire world. Imagine that. What makes them so different? See, basically it is just their mindset. It is how they work, how they look at anything. It's not that they were born rich. There are a lot of people who were born with rags and they moved on to riches. So it's all about a mindset. There's a fundamental difference in how the people in the E and S category work and the people in the B and I category work. To give you a simple difference, the people in the employed and the self-employed categories, they work for an active income, while the business owners and the investors earn a passive income. Now, what is the difference between them? Let me give you an example to actually show you the difference in the mindset, how a person in the employed or the self-employed category would usually think and how a big business owner usually thinks about things. So let's look at this example a little more closely. Before we come to exactly the business that I'm going to be showing you today, it's very important that you have a clear vision of why a business is important and what exactly it can give you. Now, I've taken an example of, say, a person selling one phone a day and earning a profit of 1,000 rupees on a single phone. Now, I know lots of people, first of all, are averse to selling. They say, okay, a salesman nahi banna hai mere ko. I don't want to be a salesman. People are literally trying to avoid selling. But the smarter people, the people maybe who are the small businessmen, they will see the opportunity. And even if they don't like to sell, they will get involved in it because they want the 1,000 rupees profit. If I manage to sell one phone a day, I will make 1,000 rupees. That's great. Let me try to do that. So most people will try to, think in these terms, and they will start to work very hard. And if they manage to sell 30 phones in a month, they end up earning 30,000 rupees. A person who is very hardworking or maybe a little bit more ambitious will start to, think, I want to work harder. I will try to sell maybe 2 phones, maybe 35 phones in a month, or maybe I will not take holidays. That's the limitations in the way a person in the employed and the self-employed category or the small business owner category thinks. Now let's look at this same scenario and let me give you a different perspective. How would a person in the B category look at the same scenario? How would a person in the B category, the big business owners, he would normally think of, see, it is the people in the B category, it's not that they don't work hard, they work very hard, but they work hard to create a system which will generate income for them. They will work very hard, but their hard work is also smart work because they are putting in their hard work to create a system which will keep generating income for them even when they are not working. Let's see how they would work. A person, just again a simple example, a person in the B category would think, okay, let me set up a team and give them a system wherein I will make it easier for them to sell the phone one phone a day. And because he is making it easier, maybe he manages to get 30 people to join his team. And if 30 people are joining his team and selling one phone a day, he will keep 20% of the profits because he's providing them a system, and he will end up making 200 rupees on each phone which is being sold. So 30 people are selling one phone each, 200 rupees per day, per phone. He ends up making 6,000 rupees per day, or monthly income of almost 1,80,000 rupees. Not on what he is doing, not on what he is selling, but what his entire team is selling. Now this is the difference. And a person in the B category would normally think of creating a system which will help him. Just a moment. A person in the B category would normally work very hard, but he would work hard to develop or to create a system which will keep generating income for him even when he is not able to work. That is the difference. That is the way a person in the B category thinks. If we want to make big money, we have to create a passive income source. If we have big dreams, see, now what I'm going to be showing you today is an opportunity to achieve all your dreams. As I said, it's the world's greatest opportunity, but it's not of use to you if you want to live an ordinary life. I'm being very frank with you before I actually show you what the business is really all about. It's not for people who want to live an ordinary life. This opportunity is for people who have big dreams, people who are ambitious, people who want to move up in life. See, if we are born poor, we are not responsible for it. See, we are not to blame. But if we die poor, then we are the only person responsible for it. So think about that. If you do not want to stay at that same level, if you want to go higher in life, if you have bigger dreams, if you want to live an extraordinary life, look carefully at what I'm going to be showing you today. Because what I'm going to be showing you today is about creating a passive income source, just like a big business owner would create. A system that will keep generating money for you even when you're not working, if you build your business properly. Look, let's see what exactly I'm talking about. What I'm talking about is an industry called network marketing. Now, I know when I say network marketing, lots of people again will go back and think of past experiences. Acha, wo member banane wali scheme. I know the type of reactions that people have. But that is not what I'm going to talk to you about. It is not some scheme or scam or a money rolling game. It is a genuine business, something that I have made a career out of. If you want to really make a career out of network marketing, you need to understand the industry. It is a genuine business which has been talked about by so many successful people. I'll show you some examples, but let us look at what really network marketing is. It is your opportunity to live the life of an entrepreneur, a businessman, a business owner, without having to invest lakhs and crores of rupees. you can create an income source which will pay you lakhs and crores of rupees, maybe even every month. Think about that. It is about building your own organization, building your own passive income source. It is the best industry that offers financial freedom as well as time freedom. The best industry in the entire world to earn passive or residual income. In fact, it is a business that has been referred to as the business of the 21st century. To give you an example of Bill Gates, he was in an interview on BBC, a live interview, where he was asked, if you had to start all over again, if you didn't have Microsoft, what would you do? And he didn't even have to pause to think about it. And his immediate response was, if given a chance to start all over again, I would choose network marketing, because he knows the potential of this industry. Friends, the company that I'm going to be showing you or talk to you about today, Forever Living Products, is, I believe, the best company in this entire industry. This is a company started in 1978, 42 years of operations. Today we are operational across 160 plus countries worldwide. It was started by Mr. Rex Mon, and he's still our chairman. That's our headquarters in Scottsdale, Arizona. It's a US-based company. It today spread practically to cover the entire globe. More than 160 plus countries. For the past 42 years, we've been consistently growing, and last year our turnover has crossed $3.5 billion. One moment. I'm sorry, but somebody was there with whose mic was unmuted, which was disturbing. So anyway, let's move forward. Since we've already taken a break, I'll just would like to make a few requests. Please keep your mic on muted. Keep your microphone muted, and please keep your videos off. Even if your videos are playing, it's a bit distracting because I have to keep looking at the screen. And when there is some movement there, some videos playing, it is so it's a humble request. Kindly keep your videos off and your mics muted. Let's focus on the presentation. And I was talking about the 42-year track record of Forever. We have been consistently growing for the past 42 years. And last year, our turnover has crossed 3.5. In terms of rupees, that's over 25,000 crores. 25,000 crores. Imagine this. It's a financially very strong company with assets of more than $1.5 billion. Totally cash rich, debt-free company. I know I need to show you this background of the company, because when I talk about network marketing, lots of people have this idea, oh, these companies are, they spring up, they come out with good schemes, and then after 4 or 5 years, they are, nowhere to be found. But that's not the case with Forever. We have a very strong asset base of more than $1.5 billion. We own properties all over the world. We are here to stay. We are going to be here forever. In fact, even our management has remained practically unchanged for the past 42 years. We are very experienced in what we do. We have a distributor base of over 1 crore people. And we are operational in the wellness industry, health and wellness, which is already a $1 trillion industry. We've been operational in India for over 20 years now. That's our head office in Mumbai. And we have almost 19 sales offices all over India. That's our country sales manager, Mr. Harish Singla. And India also, for the past 20 years, we've been consistently growing. So we've got a track record to prove our stability, our strength, and what is it that we actually do. Within the wellness industry, as I said, we have products for health and wellness. But within the wellness industry, we are absolute world leaders, not only today, we have been for the past 42 years, absolute world leaders in 2 areas. One is aloe vera, the other is natural beehive products. So we are the world's largest growers, producers and distributors of aloe vera and bee products. Very importantly, we are vertically integrated, meaning to say we control each and every stage of production and distribution. We grow our aloe in almost 7,500 acres of land. We have our own research and development facilities, our own manufacturing units. In fact, we control each and every stage of production and distribution. We make more than 150 plus products and export it to more than 150 plus countries all over the world. Why we do everything ourselves? The only reason is we can be 100% sure of the quality of the product that goes into the hand of the consumer. So we can take absolute guarantee of the quality of the product that comes to you. So moving forward, let's talk a little bit about aloe, because we are sometimes known as the aloe vera company. Today I'm not going to talk much about the products, but let me give you a brief about what aloe is and why we give it such a lot of importance. Nowadays, practically everybody's heard of aloe, especially thanks to Corona, where people have realized the importance of having a strong immune system. Well, what does aloe vera do? Aloe vera, first of all, it's a natural, safe plant which has been used not only today but for thousands of years. What most people are not aware of is that there are more than 400 varieties of aloe, out of which only 4 or 5 have medicinal properties. What we use, what we grow in all our fields is a variety called Aloe barbadensis Miller, which is the most potent one. It has the maximum medicinal properties, maximum uses. It is the most potent variety of aloe. And it can be used topically. Lots of ladies use it for skin care, for hair care. But it can also be used, taken internally. It has a lot of health benefits if taken internally. What does it do? Basically works in 3 systems. I will not go into details, but it works in 3 ways. First of all, it's a very good cleanser, detoxifier. It cleans our system from inside out. Secondly, aloe provides a lot of nourishment. It has more than 75 natural nutrients like vitamins, minerals, amino acids. It's a storehouse of nutrition. And third thing it does, it actually fortifies or boosts or strengthens our immune system. So if we want to stay safe, if you want to stay healthy, aloe is the best alternative that you have. In fact, our aloe is available in a Tetra Pak, something like what you see on the screen. And we have the world's best quality aloe with a shelf life of more than 2 years without adding any chemical preservatives. We use only the naturally stabilized inner nutritious gel of mature Aloe barbadensis Miller plants, which are grown without any chemical herbicides or pesticides in our own plantations. It's unique. The quality that we offer is second to none. In fact, we are the benchmark for most people to, aspire to. We give you an aloe which is 99.7% pure aloe. No other company can give you that purity that Forever Living Products can give you. So it's a unique product, and that has this unique quality that we have maintained. In fact, we hold more than 40 patents related to the extraction and packaging of the aloe. So this uniqueness has helped us stay at the #1 position in the aloe industry. We have the world's best quality honey. In fact, let's take a look at the products and then move on to exactly what the business is. We have a few aloe drinks. We have beehive products. Other than honey, there are other products coming from the beehive which are also beneficial. Then we have 100% natural nutritional diet supplements. We have specialized skincare products. We have specialized skincare products, and is my voice clear? We have specialized skincare products, we have personal care products, and we have weight management products. That's basically we are talking about health, beauty, and fitness. We hold the worldwide patents to most of our products. Basically, the wellness industry products all for that will help you look better and feel better. And the wellness industry is the largest industry today. Now let's talk about what the business really is. I've just given you a background of the company and what it does, what the products are. Fantastic company, absolutely financially very strong company, ethical, transparent company. I've told you about the industry we are in, the wellness industry, gave you an overview of the products. Now let's come to the real question that most of you might have in your mind. What is the business really all about? It's not again about becoming a salesman. So let's understand what the business really is all about. See, traditionally, whenever any products are manufactured, they are usually distributed in a system something like this. They pass through a lot of people before reaching us. That means there's a national distributor, a regional distributor, wholesaler, retailer. Every person adds on their profit, commission, margin, a lot of advertising cost add on to the product, and then finally the product that comes into our hand is usually such a lot more expensive than its manufacturing cost. That's the way usually products are distributed. That's the traditional distribution system. Well, Forever doesn't do that. Our products are not advertised. Our products are not sold in retail stores. Our products are in fact not even allowed to be sold on e-commerce websites. So how are our products distributed? Between Forever and the customer comes in only one person who is called a Forever business owner. If you become an FBO, a Forever business owner, you can buy products directly from Forever and give them to the customer. Now, this is what is called as direct selling, or what my upline, great Mr. Simon Davidson, likes to call as Bania business. By the way, I am a Bania, but this is traditional business. This will give you very good income, but this is only active income. As I told you, go back to the ES and BI, system that I showed you. The active income is good. It's good. You can start off with an active income, but if you want to really build a passive income source, then you need to get into the network marketing of it. That means instead of selling 30 phones, you need to have a team and everybody doing a little each. So what do you do is look for and develop maybe 10 to 15 customers, and then you start building your team and help them get that 10 to 15 customers. That's all. Everybody looking after a handful of customers. That's all it takes. They in turn will do the same thing. They will introduce other people and appoint them as FBOs, who in turn will introduce their contacts. Just as more people get involved and your team starts growing, your organization, whoever joins within your organization, your team or your network, you will not get paid for it. Because good news is you can become a Forever business owner for free. There is no joining fee, no membership fee, no annual charge, no renewal charge, no money to be paid. So it's absolutely free. You just fill up an online form and you become an FBO. You're assigned a 12-digit ID number. You are authorized to purchase products directly from Forever at a discounted price. Tell me, can it get any better than that? Just fill up an online form and you're authorized to purchase products directly from Forever at a discount, at almost a 15% discount. No joining fees, no membership fees, no annual, no renewal charge, no registration fee, nothing. But whoever joins within your organization, everybody joins for free. This is not about making members, but about a real movement of real products. Whenever any product moves throughout your entire organization, if you're selling some product, maybe your downline or their downline consuming or moving any product, you will get some benefit of it. In short, any business happening throughout your entire organization, you will definitely get some benefit of it. This is what it's a very simple business, yet very, very powerful business. In fact, we can usually think about the people whom we know, but then when they start introducing other people and the people whom they know, and they introduce people whom they know, your organization could spread to 160 plus countries worldwide. Just imagine that. I have been in Forever almost 14 years. I get regular incomes from 8 different countries that I have not visited, people whom I don't know, but they are part of my organization. Somebody using products, somebody selling products, I still get income. This is basically the combined power of a network of home-based business owner supplying products directly to the consumer. It's called as team marketing. This is the real power of Forever. Looks like a simple business. It really is a simple business, yet it's a very, very, very powerful business. Uncapped billable income. It is your business and you decide how small or how big you want to make it. India is already at number 2 position sales-wise. Out of 160 countries, we are already at number 2 position. It's growing by leaps and bounds in India. And the type of money that people are making, you can see a check there picked up by Mr. Rolf Kipp, 10 crore 59 lakhs. single check. Monthly incomes are separate. If you just want to know the type of money that people are making, note down this name, Rolf Kipp, ROLFKIPP, and just Google monthly income of Mr. Rolf Kipp. You will know the real potential of what Forever is. But that's not even the highest thing. I'm sure, the way the business is growing in India and the type of market that we have in India, within a few years, maybe we'll have people in India earning much more income. That is the power of Forever. That is the potential of this business, that you decide your own goals. The system allows you to achieve them. There is no upper ceiling. There is no limit. It's no limits business. You grow as much as you want. So even sky is not the limit in Forever. Let's go ahead and look at exactly how the money comes. Now this is something, as a Gujarati, this is something that I love, talking about money. Well, the compensation is fair, it is proportional to the effort. But what I like about this company, what I love about this company is that the payout is the highest in the entire industry. In fact, I can openly challenge anybody. If they sit down to calculate, I can guarantee you no other company can pay you as much as what Forever Living Products is paying you. Almost 70% of the product price is paid back to FBOs. Now this is an older slide. Almost 65 crores has been paid out just as chairman bonus. Now what is chairman bonus? We'll look at this. We'll look at that in a short while. Let's understand the system by which the money is distributed among all the FBOs. Our internal currency is something called case credit. So in simple terms, it's called CC. CC is nothing but points assigned to our products. Whenever you buy the product, the points that are assigned to it get accumulated to your account. Your bonus, your every month, your check is calculated based on the CCs or the points in your account. Now, one CC is approximately worth of 16,000 worth of products in terms of the retail price of the products. But our calculation is on the bonus recap price, which is approximately 15,000 per CC. Now you join up as a preferred customer. As I said, joining is free. You just need to fill up an online form. The person who has introduced you or shared today's meeting link with you, if you get in touch with them, they will share with you a link and you can join up online and become a preferred customer with FBO. No joining fees, no membership fees, no annual renewal charge, no charges to be paid. But you are authorized to pick up any product of your choice at a 15% discount. The minimum, by the way, you don't need to pick up 1 cc worth of products. The minimum order is 1,000 rupees. You can pick up products of your own choice. But if you really, you can stay as a preferred customer all your life. And you can enjoy the excellent products and the amazing discount. But if you want to start your network marketing business, if you want to start building your organization, if you want to work hard towards building your passive income source, then you need to get to the assistant supervisor level. This is the business partner level. For that, you need to give the company a turnover of 2 CCs in any 2 consecutive calendar months. Now, what happens when you reach this? When you become an assistant supervisor, you need to do that once in your lifetime. The moment you do that, from then on, your real business starts. That means you're authorized to start building your team or your organization. You can start introducing other people and appointing them as preferred customers. Your personal purchases start happening at a 30% discount and you start getting personal bonuses, 5% personal bonus. Plus you start getting 15% preferred customer profit from all the preferred customers in your team whom you have personally sponsored. So this is where the real income starts coming in. I have assistant supervisors in my team who are earning 12, 15, maybe even 20,000 rupees per month. But that's only the starting. As more people start entering and your team starts growing, when you and your entire team does a turnover of 25 CCs in any 2 consecutive calendar months, you move up to supervisor. 75 CCs by the entire team, you become an assistant manager. 120 CCs by the entire team, you become a manager.
And yet there was really no discernible damage.
The 2 CCs is something that you have to do yourself. All the other levels is you and your entire team. And any level can be achieved in any 2 consecutive calendar months of your choice. Most importantly, every level that you achieve is permanent, forever. you can move higher, you will not slide back. There is no minimum monthly requirement of CCs to be maintained. As you grow higher, the income grows higher. A supervisor's income is around 25,000, assistant manager around 40 to 50,000 rupees per month. But a manager's income is usually a six-figure income. In FLP India, the income that we normally say a manager makes is anything between 80,000 to 2 lakh rupees per month. By the way, manager is not the last level. There is senior manager, soaring manager, sapphire manager. But today I will not get into details. This is just an overview. If you find this interesting, do get in touch with the person who has introduced you, or has shared today's link with you, and they will be able to, explain to you the marketing plan in more details. Attend more trainings. There are many, many different areas of income. I talked about your personal discounts, retail profit that you can earn if you sell at MRP. The preferred customer profit is 15% flat at every level. Your personal bonus goes on increasing from 5% to 18%. Your volume bonus is money paid to you when more active people, active team members. This is the difference between your level and your active team members' personal bonus level. Then there's leadership bonus, gem bonus, domestic travel, international. It's amazing. This is literally like an ocean. You decide how much water you want to take out of the ocean. It doesn't make a difference to the ocean. So you decide whether you want to take out a barrel full of water, a tanker full of water, or you want to put a pipeline directly, supplying water to your home. It doesn't make a difference to the ocean. So you decide. Company literally gives you a blank check. It all depends on your efforts. Now, this is something that was again very exciting. It's domestic travel, all expenses paid, vacations to some 5-star, 7-star location within India. But if you're doing the business, you can go on this vacation along with your spouse. All expenses paid trip and royal treatment. It has to be, experience to be believed. I can remember with clarity every vacation that I've gone, because this manager retreat is really unique. I mean, every trip is, the treatment that you get is amazing. And then even there's international travel. There are two options for international travel. One is a global rally. One is an Eagle Manager retreat. Not only is all the expenses paid for, you stay at 5-star exotic locations, 5-star, 7-star locations. But not only that, but you also get spending money, $500, maybe $1,000, depending on your level of qualification. Extra spending money. All expenses paid for, plus money to spend, to bring back chocolates for your children or whatever. Amazing company. Now, going ahead, there's also a car plan. Again, very interesting. More than 1,200 qualifiers in India so far. Let's look at this. There are 3 levels in this. First level, you get paid in 26,000 rupees. In level 2, you get paid 39,000 rupees. Level 3 is 52,000 rupees. Paid to you every month for the next 36 months. If you qualify for it, you're assured for this amount every month for the next 36 months. More than 1,200 qualifiers in India so far. Imagine this. In our country, there are so many people who struggle and literally do a job throughout the month. They work so hard for incomes like 52,000 or 39,000 or 26,000. In forever. This is literally, you can call it the Upar Ki Malai. The main bonuses coming in are different. This is an additional money paid to you. So fondly referred to as the car plan, because most people use it to buy a car. But then company pays you the money. You can buy a house, you can buy jewelry for your wife. Choice is yours. Amazing incomes. Last but not the least, something called chairman bonus. 3% of the company's turnover distributed among qualifying FBOs. 3% of the company's turnover, not the profit. This is like a Diwali bonus, something that we call Diwali bonus. Again, 3 levels. Level 1 checks are there on your screen. You can see them. 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs, 5 lakhs. So these are the type of money that people are making with forever. This is the potential of the business. And this is just the beginning, boss. Friends, this is just the beginning. Think about this. We are still at number 2 position. We are moving. We are growing by leaps and bounds. We are moving very fast towards the number 1 position internationally. India is a huge market. Level 2 checks. That's Mr. Prem Rajan picked up a check of 80 lakh rupees. Mr. Sunil Gupta, 1 crore 24 lakhs. Diwali bonus. That's level 3 checks. Mr. Surya Sinha, 3 crore 84 lakhs. Single check. This is India. Single check of 3 crore 84 lakhs. I know lots of people in our country don't earn this much money in their entire lives. Mr. Surya Sinha, single monthly checks, monthly incomes are separate. That is the potential of this business. Let me, just take a break and tell you something about Forever, something very special. This year, thanks to Corona, no company is going to pay Diwali bonuses. I can assure you of that. No company is even going to give you a mithai ka dabba. That is going to be the reality, harsh reality. Most people are, struggling just to survive. Even in this time, Forever Living Products, I'm 100% sure, is going to pay out chairman bonus. In fact, this year, our chairman bonus rally was supposed to be in Australia on 14th of April. And on 14th of April, the entire world was under lockdown. So we had to cancel that rally and we held an online event. And within just 3 hours during the online event, Forever Living Products has distributed almost 135 crores of rupees as chairman bonus. 3 hours, 135 crores. When other companies were struggling to pay salaries, Forever Living Products was giving out 135 crores just as Diwali bonus. Think about that, friends. Amazing company. I mean, you cannot even imagine any other company coming even close to this. That is the power of Forever. This is what we need to realize. What we are offering you is a complete package. Healthy family, wealthy family, happy family. Think about it, friends. In single word, I would say, we are offering you financial freedom. Now the choice is yours. What do you want? I will repeat what I said in the initial stage when I started this seminar. This opportunity is not for people who want to live an ordinary life. But if you're ambitious, if you have dreams, if you want to do something big in life, this is your opportunity. One thing I can definitely say, today, if you've seen this presentation for the very first time, I have taken away your right to say that you never had a chance. Today, the opportunity is in front of you. Get in touch with the person who has invited you for today's meeting and just give your feedback. Ask him for more meetings. Ask him for more information. Understand what Forever really is all about. You can get anything that you want through Forever. Forever by itself, you need to look at it as the right platform wherein you will get the true benefits of all the efforts that you're putting in. Think about it. Anything that you wish for in life can be achieved through Forever. It is the vehicle, it is the perfect vehicle to take you to your dreams. Maybe you want a fancy luxury car, maybe you're thinking of getting married, maybe you want to travel the world, you want to buy a house, whatever be your dream, with Forever it's all possible. So what are you waiting for? It's your life, it's your choice. It's your decision. Your destiny is decided in the moments of your decision. A quote that I love by Mr. Anthony Robbins. He always says this, and I love this quote. It's always about your choices. Don't wait. Right opportunity is knocking at your door. Forever is a unique opportunity. I can guarantee you, you will never find anything better than this. Let me say this once again. Forever might not be perfect. It might not, ye karna padega, I might have to do this, I might have to do. It might not be perfect. What I can absolutely guarantee you, it is better than anything else. How many options do you have? If you plan or if you're even dreaming of earning 5 lakh rupees per month, maybe 6 lakh rupees per month, maybe 10 lakh rupees per month, how many options are there in front of you to achieve that? Forever is the best option possible. If you're willing to work and if you're willing to learn, then with Forever, anything and everything is possible. Now the choice is yours. If whatever you've seen today and heard today is interesting, do get in touch with the person who has invited you for today's webinar, and just give your feedback. Ask for more information. Get your queries solved. It's natural to have questions. So ask your questions. Take the initiative to get all your queries solved. Attend more meetings. Welcome to Forever. Forever is your future. Mr. X always says, with Forever, you are always a winner. With Forever, you are always a winner. There's nothing to lose. Think about this. You haven't invested lakhs and crores of rupees. There's nothing to lose in Forever. There are no overheads. You don't have to pay rent. You don't have to pay salaries. Nothing to lose. It's a zero risk opportunity. Zero risk. And you have everything to gain. With Forever, you are always a winner. I would like to end with a quote by Mr. X. He says, one of the greatest sources of illness in the world is not Corona, it's an empty wallet. If you want to decrease the number of people suffering, just give them a chance to earn an honest living. Take maximum benefit from this opportunity and share this opportunity with as many people as you can. I wish each and every one of you everything that you're willing to work for. I wish a very good evening to each and every one of you. Thank you for listening to me so patiently. Thank you so much. Do get in touch with the person who has invited you for today's webinar. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you.